What is sump pump head pressure, lift, and why does it matter? Imagine trying to lift a bucket of water to the top of a ladder. The height you can lift it depends on the strength of your arms. In plumbing, a sump pump works the same way. It pushes water from the sump basin up to a discharge point outside or above the basement. The key measure here is called head pressure or lift. It tells us how high the pump can lift water vertically. This measurement is given in feet or meters of liquid. It shows the pump's ability to overcome gravity and system resistance. Knowing this helps us pick the right pump for our needs. If the pump's head capacity is too low, water won't be pumped out efficiently. That can lead to flooding or water damage in the basement. On the other hand, if the pump's head is too high, it might be more expensive and use more electricity than needed. Head pressure is different from pressure in pounds per square inch. Pressure depends on the fluid's density, but head is just a height measurement. When selecting a sump pump, you need to consider the total head. This includes the vertical lift plus any friction or resistance in the pipes. The longer or narrower the pipe, the more friction there is, which reduces the effective head. Manufacturers provide performance curves that show how much water a pump can move at different head heights. Higher head means the pump can push water higher but usually at a slower flow rate. In a sump system, knowing how high you need to lift water is essential. If the discharge point is several feet above the sump basin, your pump must have enough head capacity. Otherwise, it might run constantly or fail early, leading to water buildup. Choosing the right sump pump involves matching its head rating to your system's requirements. This ensures the pump can do its job without overworking or wasting energy. Properly understanding and measuring head pressure helps prevent basement flooding and protects your home's foundation. It also guides the design of your discharge piping to keep water flowing smoothly. So remember, sump pump head pressure is the vertical height a pump can lift water. Getting this right makes all the difference in keeping your basement dry and safe.